are 3 major parts to treating your home's water correctly. Step 1 is getting a very high quality test done on your water to find out exactly what's in the water. Step 2 is custom designing a system based off that water test so it treats it appropriately. And step 3 is returning to that home and retesting the water after it's gone through filtration to make sure it's actually delivering the result that everybody wants. Now, the first step is doing an accurate water test, and one of the most important things in doing an accurate water test is collecting a water sample the right way. We don't want to do anything that would contaminate that water. So here I have some water collection from a well system I just visited this morning. This sample of water is to check for positive or negative bacteria, see if there's bacteria in the water supply. We put this directly into an incubator where it sits for 48 hours. If it goes from this purple color to a yellow color, that means it has bacteria in the water. This next test of our next sample of water, rather, is to go into our spin touch system. This is our spin touch system. This gives us the most accurate data of what exactly is in the water. We do 2 separate tests on the water using these discs right here. So we put droplets of water into this disc, let it spin, and then it gets results. The first test is going to show us the following. It's going to show us the pH level, alkalinity, hardness in grains per gallon, total iron, ferrous iron, ferric iron, copper, nitrite, and nitrates. The next test is going to tell us alkalinity, total hardness, calcium hardness specifically, copper, total iron, phosphates, and silica. We take all that data, put it in our system, and the main thing we're trying to find is the LSI number. Now that's super important because water is either corrosive, balanced, or scaling. Scaling, which you've probably seen the most of, is where it almost looks white around your faucets, different sinks, could be on your water heater. That's that buildup of calcium. Corrosive is where the water is hungry and it's constantly looking for stuff to eat, so it eats your appliances and all your piping. We want balanced water. So to do that, though, you have to know all of everything that's in the water to treat it correctly. So after we get a really good sample, a good test, find out exactly what's in the water, what's wrong with the water, only then can we begin to treat the water. We find out how we can fix the water to make it clean, safe, and balanced by adding the right systems in the right order. Then we install those systems. And each system will change the water in one way or another, but we have to make sure at the end of the system, it's clean, safe, and balanced, most importantly. Then after we install, 30 days later, we'll come back to retest the water to ensure that it got the result we wanted. And if there are any changes or different components we need to change out, we can do it then and deliver what the customer wants. Because the customer doesn't want a system, they want the right water. And that's what we do.